Welcome to vlog 12.
If you don't know us already, we're Harry and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer.
In this vlog, Harry and I are still in Croatia, making the most of the crystal clear waters and the pebble beaches. We also met a very generous farmer.
I'm go home.
Yeah.
For water. Here and here is reserve.
Reserve? Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Harry also had some fun scuba diving. So with that, make sure you're subscribed and we hope you enjoy the video.
Good morning and welcome to vlog 12. So we're still in Croatia. We woke up at that same restaurant we went back to last night just because it was free. And we're on our way to a new spot right now. I've literally just bought some bread rolls from this bakery which is just right outside where we were parking, which was ideal.
Looking all sexy in her swimsuit. Juice! What'd you get?
Got us some bread rolls because the big ones look really not very nice.
So bread rolls it is?
Bread rolls it is, yeah, they're kind of hard as well. But we're on our way to this beautiful kind of cove area and we'll show you when we get there.
Shoveled that in.
Say hey. Harry's just cleaning the solar panels because we think they're a bit dirty because they're just not filling up as quickly as they normally would do. Like at night, our little MP3 controller has not a sad face, it's like a midway face and it should just be happy the whole time. So yeah, we're trying to work out what it might be and I think it's just that they're dirty.
Yeah, there's a lot of dirt coming off.
Oops. Yeah, they were pretty dirty, weren't they? That's probably it. Well done. I think now I'm going to give the van a massive clean because the mosquitoes last night made a lot of blood in our van, which is a bit odd. Our blood. So now we've done all the van admin and tidying up, we can now chill and relax. So we're going to go have a look around this cove. I'm going to go for a swim because I'm boiling hot now. And yeah, just explore the park up that we're at for a bit.
Yeah, let's just go explore, chill out and enjoy where we are.
Yeah, I'm excited to get in the water. It looks really clear.
Yeah, because it is a hella beautiful park up we're at.
It is.
It's insane.
Hold me close, tell me I'm fine, I'm fine, I'll be alright. Calm me down like you sometimes I feel invincible, the way I've gone about it. Sometimes I know I'm hurting, dwell on the past. Sometimes I feel invincible, today is not that day. Sometimes I need your heart, I just don't don't love myself.
Fruit Queen!
Your voice up front.
That right there is the Instagram live, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta work hard on it. But yeah, the pictures will be coming up on the screen for you now. If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at the Vambitious Project. Only the real ones really follow us, so make sure you guys go over there and follow us. But yeah, that view is unbelievable. The fruit looks unbelievable, so I think we're gonna go and eat some fruit.
Yeah.
That's the plan. So, catch you in a bit.
Ski on the beat.
So, we are leaving this amazing park up because obviously the wild camping rule, and we've read that quite a lot of people are getting fines. We do feel like we want to definitely try it soon, but we were talking and we need a shower anyway.
Yeah, and we need to fill up on water and get rid of our grey tank and stuff.
The main thing is we stink, we need water, we need to get rid of our grey tank.
And Wi-Fi would be good because I've run out of data.
Otherwise this would definitely be a place we would probably chance it. So we'll put the PARK4NIGHT up. It might have been up early already, but yeah, definitely I'd recommend coming to this place.
A couple cars did stay last night and they
we
said it
saw
was
them this
fine.
morning. So, I mean, yeah. Okay guys, so a bit of a change of plan. We went to that campsite we were aiming for, the small family run campsite, and it turns out they were fully booked. But we did kind of explain to him that we kind of needed a shower and stuff, and he was alright with it. So we ended up just having a shower there and using their facilities. And then literally just looked on PARK4NIGHT, and down the road there's this green park up, which is on private land. And it's literally just a farm, like a random bit of land that this farmer owns. And apparently he comes at 9 o'clock and collects 100 kuna off you, which is about £9 or something,
Yeah.
I think. So that's not bad. So we're just going to stay here tonight.
So I guess we're going to chill here, make some dinner, and then see where the life takes us.
See where the life takes us.
The life.
The life. See where the night takes
The
us.
night.
Yeah, that's what you're looking for.
Just found this little guy hiding in the broccoli. His name is Kevin the Caterpillar.
No, it's not.
What's he called? Columbus the Caterpillar? We'll go with Columbus.
Oh.
He really like blends into the broccoli, it's mad. He's really squidgy as well because I tried to pick him up because I thought he was a bit of broccoli. Squidgy nice guy.
So our lovely farmer Emmanuel has just come round, and he's just offered to bring us loads of water because we mentioned to him that we were low on water for tonight for cooking. So he's just bought us a free jerry can of water just to say have that as your reserve, which is awesome. And then he's just taken our water and gone and filled it up at his house.
This is gratis for me.
Okay.
You understand?
Kind of.
I'm go home
Yeah.
for water. Here and here is reserve.
Reserve. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So kind. So nice, isn't he?
Well, either that or he's taken our bottle. That is so heavy. You've done so well.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, I mean,
No, he wouldn't.
But yeah, what a nice guy. He didn't need to do that. He's just letting us stay on his land for 100 kuna for a night. So I mean,
I know, he's so lovely.
what a nice guy.
Love you, Manuel.
He's definitely getting a 5-star on PARK4NIGHT.
Oh, completely. Oh, thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Fresh potatoes.
Wow. Oh, that's so nice. Awesome. Hash browns tomorrow?
Well, I mean, we're going to have to chop them and fry them up at some point.
Yeah.
They look bloody good.
That's so lovely.
That's awesome.
We then decided to nestle in for the night. We played a few rounds of Uno and then started to make dinner.
So I've got frankfurter, broccoli, onion, red pepper, chilli and a bit of coriander. And we're just going to make that into like an arrabbiata pasta.
Dinner is served.
Let's eat out of the pan, shall we?
Let's eat out of the pan, save that washing
It's
up.
just easier, isn't it?
It looks so good. Thank you, Nix. Coriander, you love your coriander. What are
I
you
bloody
doing?
love it. Honestly, it's so good.
But yeah, dinner time, then a movie, and then I think bed, early night on the farm tonight.
Yeah, so we'll close off for tonight then, I think. And we'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Good morning guys. So we have left our little farm park up and we have headed back towards Umag because I'm doing some scuba diving this morning, which is very exciting. I haven't scuba dived in a few years, so we're going to take it slow. We're doing like a bit of a refresher course thing that's just like only like a 6 metre dive off the beach, but if I enjoy it, might do another one later if money allows and if time allows it. But Nikki is currently making us some bread and cheese rolls.
Yeah. The reason why I'm not scuba diving, by the way, is because my sinuses are blocked.
Sinuses are blocked, so she's not scuba diving. But you know what? I'm just going to send it anyway. See what happens. Well, it's not very sunny today, which is actually really annoying because our battery's getting a bit messy at the moment.
It's because we left it covered for a whole week in my house.
Yeah, we left it covered for a week while we were at the airport because we didn't want it to like blow up while we weren't there, so we kind of disconnected it all.
Which is so dumb.
And now the battery's a bit screwed. It's not really charging properly. We've got a year warranty, so I guess when we get back we'll just send it back.
Yeah, we're going to get a new one when we get back.
Yeah, but yeah, that's all for now. See you in a bit.
So once we had breakfast, Harry headed down to the scuba diving centre and I got on with some editing.
You've been running around in my head. I can't stop drinking about what comes next. Girl, I know you've been let down a couple times. Why don't you go ahead and give us a try? Let me through, yeah. Girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. Take a change.
How was it? Well, it would have been in the message then, because the guy said you were left.
Cool.
Made a friend. Got the Wi-Fi as well.
Oh, it's smashing. But yeah, I'm going to decant now.
Cool. Did you see any fish?
Yeah, it wasn't much marine life.
Really? Okay, everything is battened, so let's go to our new spot.
Let's go.
Ready?
Right guys, so me and Nikki have had quite the chilled morning. So we left our little farm area park up and we decided to go get a coffee in a little village called Rabak, I think it's called. And then we decided to come to this PARK4NIGHT, which was down a very sketch pebbly road.
It's going to be very juddery. Yeah, we were a bit worried we were on the wrong road.
We were quite worried, it was very like...
And there's no other way that other cars on the other side of the road could come past you, so we were just hoping no one would.
But yeah, it was fine in the end. And we have ended up at this awesome PARK4NIGHT. So yeah, I think we're just going to have an awesome day here, to be honest. But the plan now is, as always, me and Nikki have got hungry. So we're going to make some brunch with the potatoes that the farmer gave us yesterday. We're going to make some thin potatoes, maybe chuck an egg in there, and see what happens.
Cool.
So it's just begun, and there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep, you're on fire. So burn it with me, leave it behind.
So we're back at our farm place, aren't we?
It is back at the farm place and do a throw together meal night for Harry. So when Nikki runs out of her ingredients, she decides to make me do the cooking duty.
No, not at all.
No, I'm joking. But yeah, we've got honey mustard sausages, onions and chilli in there. It's looking a bit of a mess, but
No, that looks really good to me.
it smells pretty damn good.
And we're having it with caprese salad.
Right, I don't know if this is worth filming. It's not exactly gourmet.
Babe, I think it looks really good.
It's a bit sloppy.
No, I think it looks amazing. Why do you think that's not worth filming? I feel like everyone thinks their own cooking's not as good though.
So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like this video if you did, and also click that subscribe button. We'll see you next week for our next video, by which time we will probably have reached Austria. See you then.